Research has shown that an estimated 11 to 12% of children snore at night, and these children may have more difficulty paying attention, more social problems, more anxiety, and more depression than children who do not habitually snore. O'Brien and colleagues predicted that children's severe snoring would lead to more behavioral problems, poorer memory, less social skills, and worse performance on verbal and visual tasks. They invited nearly 500 children to participate in a sleep study measuring breathing patterns. Children's parents then answered questions about their child's behavior and social skills. Children's memory, learning, attention, language skills, and visual skills were also assessed. Children who snored were found to have slightly more behavioral problems such as hyperactivity, slightly less social competence, and worse performance on visual and language tasks than non-snorers. This study demonstrates that a child's severe snoring may have a greater negative impact on their brain functioning than experts originally thought. However, O'Brien and colleagues proposed that a larger study is needed to confirm their results. Confirmation of the results would demonstrate a need for research on treatments in snoring children.